When to use comparator and when to use comparable? The answer is, if the object is in your control, then use comparable. If the object is outside your control and you can't change them, then use comparator. Suppose you are creating your own class, then easily you can implement comparable and you can override the compare to method. That means we can change the behavior, the default comparing behavior in it. But suppose we are using a different class which we don't have access, we have only the jar file and we are using it, then at that time we don't have control over that particular class. Suppose we want to add the comparing behavior, then we need to use comparator. Number 2, if the comparing behavior is the main comparing behavior, then use comparable. When you want comparing behavior different from the default behavior, then use comparator. What do you mean by main comparing behavior? So when we implement comparable, that means we are embedding the comparing behavior within it. It is tightly coupled within that particular object. So that is the main comparing behavior, or we can say that becomes the default comparing behavior of that particular object. When you want comparing behavior different from the default behavior, which is already specified by comparable, suppose a new comparing behavior you want to add on top of that, then you need to use comparator. Number 3, when logic is clear natural way to sort the class, then use comparable. When sorting only makes sense for a specific use case, then use comparator. Here I can give you one example like string. So string has the string logic itself has the clear natural way to sort the class, so it implements the comparable in it. Suppose account class, suppose we want to sort the account class, which is a atomic class, then we need to use comparable and we need to override the compare to method. But suppose we have a bean like employee and we need to sort that employee, there might be multiple way to sort it, like sort by ID, sort by name, sort by salary. So in this way, according to the use case, we need to implement the comparator object and we can pass within the sort method. If you want more details on this particular topic, then go through the link below in the description.